How to sign up for Threads on desktop. So for that you would require Windows 11, as Windows 11 provides for Windows subsystem for Android. And in Windows 11 you need to open up your Microsoft Store, and after that get the Amazon App Store. Right after that you need to go on Microsoft Store again and get the WSA Tools APK installer. After that you need to make sure that your WSA is on developer mode. For that, go to the settings, and in the advanced settings you will be able to find the developer mode. Then you need to open up any browser and search for Threads APK. Make sure to download it from one of the trustable sources, and APK Mirrors is one of the trusted sources out there. So you need to get the latest version of Threads, which is 8664, and just download it. After that you need to launch WSA app. Then locate Threads on your WSA and install it properly. After that, Threads will appear just like any other app on your device. And this is how you sign up for Threads on your desktop. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.